What's up, guys? We're here in Als. We're doing a Gordie Razz for him. We're gonna go live at 3:07 p.m. It's just turned 3:08 here in Denver. Sorry, I got Fortnite on in the background. We have Luke on top and Alan on the bottom. We're gonna grab a fresh list. Luke on top, Alan on the bottom, no spaces in between. We're going 3 times, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 3 times. 1, 2, a medio on top after 2. That timestamp was in at 3:08. It's 3:08, third and final time. Good luck, everybody. A medio. For a second, I didn't think the list moved. That final timestamp is in at 3:09. It is 3:09. Again, 3 times a medio, spot 8. Congratulations.